Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing natural wonders on the planet that look like they're straight out of a dream. From vibrant pink lakes to mysterious blue holes, these places are all about those crazy optical illusions that'll make you question reality. Antelope Canyon in Arizona, USA, is a breathtaking slot canyon known for its wave-like structure and vibrant colors, formed by years of erosion and flash floods. The optical illusions here arise from the interplay of light and shadow, as sunlight filters through narrow openings, illuminating the canyon walls in rich reds, oranges, and purples. This creates a surreal effect where colors seem to dance and change, while the smooth, curved walls give a sense of depth and movement, making the canyon appear almost otherworldly. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the world's largest salt flat, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers. The most captivating optical illusion occurs during the rainy season when a thin layer of water covers the salt flats, transforming them into a vast mirror. This reflective surface creates the illusion of an endless sky merging with the ground, making it difficult to discern where the Earth ends and the sky begins. This amazing optical illusion results in stunning photographs that make the landscape look otherworldly, as if walking on clouds. The Eye of the Earth, located near the town of Imotski in Croatia, is a natural sinkhole that resembles a giant eye when viewed from above. This unique geological formation features a deep blue water pool surrounded by steep rocky walls, giving it the appearance of a pupil set against a sandy iris. When viewed from certain angles, the circular shape and coloration can create the illusion of a giant eye looking up at the sky, making it a striking visual landmark. The underwater waterfall in Mauritius is a stunning natural phenomenon that creates the illusion of a waterfall flowing beneath the ocean's surface. Located off the coast of the island, this optical illusion is caused by the movement of sand and sediment that cascades down the ocean floor slope, making it appear as if water is plunging down into the depths. Rainbow Mountain, or Vinicunca, located in Peru's Andes, is renowned for its stunningly vibrant, multicolored slopes. Formed by mineral deposits over millions of years, the mountain showcases a striking palette of reds, greens, yellows, and blues, creating a breathtaking visual experience. The optical illusion generated here stems from the way these colors appear to shift and change depending on the angle of light and the viewer's perspective. As you approach the mountain, the layers of color can create a sense of depth and movement, making the landscape seem almost like a painter's canvas. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in China is famous for its towering sandstone pillars, some rising over 1,000 meters high. This stunning landscape inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar and is characterized by its dramatic peaks and lush greenery. The optical illusion generated here is largely due to the park's unique topography and the way mist often envelops the pillars. The Great Blue Hole in Belize is a massive underwater sinkhole and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, measuring approximately 300 meters across and over 125 meters deep. It is renowned for its stunningly dark blue water, surrounded by a bright turquoise lagoon. The optical illusion generated here primarily arises from the stark contrast between the deep blue of the hole and the shallower surrounding waters. The deep blue color can make the hole appear even deeper than it is, creating the illusion of an abyss. Milford Sound in New Zealand is a breathtaking fjord renowned for its dramatic cliffs, stunning waterfalls, and lush rainforest. The optical illusion generated here primarily comes from the way the towering cliffs and waterfalls interact with the fog and light. On misty days, the reflections of the cliffs and the calm waters can create an illusion of depth and height, making it difficult to discern where the land ends and the water begins. This ethereal atmosphere, combined with the steep vertical landscape, can give visitors the impression of being in a surreal, dreamlike world, making Milford Sound a truly captivating destination. The Wave, located in Arizona, is a stunning rock formation known for its undulating, wave-like patterns and vibrant colors. Formed over millions of years through erosion, this sandstone marvel features smooth, flowing lines that resemble ocean waves frozen in time. The optical illusion generated here arises from the intricate patterns and colors of the rock, which create a sense of movement and depth. When viewed from different angles, the swirling layers can make the landscape appear to ripple and flow, enhancing the illusion of dynamic motion. The combination of light, shadow, and the unique topography of the wave captivates visitors, making it feel like they are walking through a living painting, where the rock seems to change shape and form with each step. Hagia Sophia in Istanbul is an architectural masterpiece, originally built as a cathedral in the 6th century and later converted into a mosque. The optical illusion generated in Hagia Sophia arises from the interplay of light filtering through its numerous windows. This illumination creates a dramatic effect on the interior, making the dome appear to float above the nave, as if it were suspended in midair. Lake Hillier in Australia is a striking saline lake located on Middle Island in the Recherche archipelago. Known for its vibrant pink color, the lake is surrounded by lush green forest and blue ocean waters, creating a stunning visual contrast. The optical illusion generated here primarily stems from the lake's vivid hue, which can appear even more saturated when viewed from above. This intense color, caused by the presence of certain algae and bacteria, creates the illusion that the lake is filled with a liquid substance resembling paint. When viewed from the air, the bright pink of Lake Hillier against the surrounding landscape can create a surreal effect, making it seem almost like an artist's palette set against nature, captivating visitors and photographers alike with its otherworldly appearance. Mount Roraima, located on the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, is a spectacular tabletop mountain known for its unique flat summit and dramatic cliffs. The optical illusion generated by Mount Roraima often arises from its sheer size and the mist that frequently shrouds its peak. When viewed from below, the flat summit can appear to float above the clouds, creating a surreal effect where it seems detached from the surrounding landscape. Yosemite Firefall, held in Yosemite National Park, California, is a breathtaking natural event that occurs each February when the setting sun illuminates the flowing water of Horsetail Fall. The optical illusion is generated when the sun's rays hit the water at just the right angle, transforming it into a brilliant orange and red hue, resembling molten lava or flowing fire. White Sands National Park in New Mexico is renowned for its vast expanse of glistening white gypsum sand dunes, covering over 275 square miles. The optical illusion generated here arises from the undulating patterns of the dunes and the way light interacts with the sand. As the sun rises and sets, shadows shift and change, making the dunes appear to ripple and flow like waves. Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is a remarkable natural wonder consisting of about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, formed by volcanic activity around 60 million years ago. The hexagonal basalt columns create a pattern that can appear to be man-made, creating an optical illusion of an organized structure. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the world's most stunning natural optical illusions. We hope you're inspired to explore these amazing places. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite illusion in the comments below. See you next time.